What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Thank you guys so much as always. Today we're going to be going out on the lake, out on the boat with Bible Belt fishing, and trying to see if we can't find any fish today. Like I said, it's a relatively decent day and had some overcast settings, so hopefully we'll be able to get on some fish. Going to be bringing stuff to try to catch whatever, you know, bass, bluegill, maybe some crappie. I'm hoping for a crappie. I always bring stuff when we get close to the docks to try to hit on a crappie, but we'll see what we got to go on. Let's go get on the boat. Let's go try to catch some fish.
Oh, that's you. I'm like, oh, look at that fish. I was looking down.
Try a different color, I don't know. There we go. Got something. What do we got? Is that a crappie? It's a big whatever. It's a good size whatever it is. Changed up colors. See what we got. Oh, I think it is. Oh, yeah. It's a black nose crappie too. Oh my gosh, this thing's a beast. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Look at this guy. Woo. Golly. Slab for days. Slabs for days. Switched up on that ramble tamble color, went to the black, chartreuse and orange. Phew. Wish I had me a cooler. Right off that dock. Look at the black nose too. I'll show that off before we let him go. Nice, awesome black nose crappie. Supposedly they're rare, but I see a lot of people catch them on YouTube, so very cool beast of a fish. Awesome, buddy. Thank you, sir. Golly. I was like, is that a bluegill? It's not a bluegill. What is that? They just slurped it up too. It just went down. All right, realists, that's going to wind it up out on the boat today. Chad is out on his way back out, try to find some fish. Look like they're mostly deep today, the big bass, but we did catch our monster crappie. Super cool. Used some ramble tamble tackle there, got out on some crappie, and found at least one. So maybe next time we get a chance to, we can kind of hold up on some docks, find some more crappie, and do some awesome stuff. So hopefully you guys have a great day. I know it was a short video today, but I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully catch some more fish next time. You guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.